Hello children, welcome to Little Bird English School. Today I am going to teach you subject EVS of standard 5th, lesson number 3, developmental journey of a seed. Children, do you know what is seed? In Hindi it is called a beach. So in this chapter we will see that how the seed develops through following process. So we will see and observe the developmental journey of a seed. Observation. Look at the picture and answer the following question. Children, look at the picture. You have to answer the following question given below. Question number 1. What do you see in the first picture? Children, observe the first picture and write the answer. That in the first picture we can see ground, sun, mountain and a seed resting in the soil. Look here, it is a sun, mountain. Here is a seed which is resting in the soil. Okay. Now second question. What is seen in the second picture? Children, observe the second picture and answer the question. In the second picture, we can see the ground, the moon, mountain and the seed is getting ready to grow. Here is the moon, mountain and in first picture the seed was resting, while in the second picture the seed is getting ready to grow. Next question. Which season is shown in the third picture? Children, observe the third picture and write which season is going on in the third picture. Which season is seen? It is a rainy season. Fourth question. What do you see in the fourth picture? Children, observe the fourth picture and write what do you see in the fourth picture? In the fourth picture, we can see that seed has grown into a big tree. The seed which was resting in the first picture, now it is ready and it has grown into a big tree. So the following process is being done. The following journey is being done in which one a seed which was resting now is ready to grow into a big tree. Turn the page. Read. Collect the seed of different kind. Children, you have to collect the seed of different kind. Collect seed like beans, green gram, pigeon gram, wheat, maize. Okay, you have to collect the seed. Put all the kind of seeds together into a bag. You have to put all the seeds together into a bag and then divide the children into 3 groups. Then distribute a handful of seeds among each group. Perform the following experiment on seed and then write conclusion. You have to perform the following experiment. You have to write a conclusion what you have understand by doing this activity. Next activity. Break each different kind of seed with a stone. Break each seed with the help of a stone. Second point. Put aside the seed which has been broken into 2 equal halves. Put the seed into aside which have been divided, which have been broken into 2 equal parts. Separate the seed which have gone into powder from while breaking. While breaking the seed which have been in the powder form, you have to separate it. Finally, rub all the seeds that have broken into equal halves or got into powder on a piece of paper. The seed which is been broken into 2 equal halves or broken into a different powder form, you have to finally rub all the seed in the piece of a paper. Now think and write. Seed which have 2 equal halves, which has been divided into 2 equal halves. 2 equal parts are green gram, pigeon peas, gram and peas. Okay. Next. Seed which have been broken into pieces or turned into a powder form. The seed which has been turned into a powder form was wheat, maize, jowar, millet. Seed which have broken into a powder form was wheat, maize, jowar, millet. Peas or powder of seed leaving oily spot on a paper. While rubbing, during rubbing, the powder form or a piece which have been a oily spot was groundnut, mustard, sesame and castor. Okay, you have to write here. Now, seed having broken into two equal halves but leaving no oily marks on a paper during rubbing are called pulses. Children, what is pulses? The seed which have broken into two equal parts. Which have broken into two equal parts but leaving no oily marks on the paper during rubbing. But it has no oily mark on the paper during rubbing are called pulses. Next, what is cereal, children? The seed which turn into broken pieces or powder, which turn into broken pieces or in a powder form are known as cereals. Next, the seed releasing oil while breaking into pieces or making paste or powder. While making paste or powder which release oil. So, their type of seed are known as oil seed. Children, understood what I have said? Thank you. Have a nice day. Next part will be uploaded tomorrow.